How to make a woman miss you, simple secrets to being unforgettable. Ever left a friend's party and later heard someone say, "It just wasn't the same without you"? That's the magic of being missed. Imagine someone thinking about you even when you're not around. How do you become that person? Let's explore some easy tips to make a woman miss you, so you're always in her thoughts, like her favorite song that keeps playing over and over. Be the fun in her day. Everyone has a favorite part of their day. Maybe it's playing video games, maybe it's watching their favorite show. For her, make the time she spends with you the best part of her day. Be fun, be kind, and make her laugh so much that she can't wait to do it all over again. When you're not there, she'll miss the fun and laughter. Listen to her. When she talks, listen like she's giving you the secret recipe to the best cookie in the world. Ask her questions about what she likes and how she feels about things. When you listen closely, she feels special. Next time you're not around, she'll miss having someone who really hears her. Give her space. This might sound weird, but it works like a charm. Don't be around all the time. Give her some space so she can miss you. It's like when you take a break from eating your favorite snack, when you have it again, it tastes even better. If you're always there, there's no chance for her to miss you. Create special memories. Do cool stuff together that just you two share. Maybe build a fort, go on a bike ride to see the sunrise, or make a secret handshake. When you make special memories, she'll think of them, and you, when you're not around. Be supportive. Be her cheerleader. If she's worried about a test or a big game, tell her she's going to do great. Help her practice, or just give her a pep talk. When you're not there, she'll miss your support and the way you make her feel confident. Have your own hobbies. It's great to share hobbies, but having your own interests is cool, too. Maybe you collect stamps, play an instrument, or write stories. When you're excited about your own stuff, you become more interesting. She'll miss your passion and enthusiasm when you're not sharing it with her. Use the magic of scent. This might sound like a wizard's trick, but it's real. Maybe you have a favorite cologne, or you always smell like fresh cookies because you love baking. Scents can make memories stronger. If she smells cookies or your cologne when you're not around, she'll think of you. Leave little reminders of you. Leave something small behind that makes her think of you. Maybe it's a funny drawing, a book you love, or a movie ticket from the time you went together. When she sees these things, she'll smile and think about the fun times you shared. Be kind, always. This is really important. Always be kind, not just to her, but to everyone. People remember how you make them feel. If you're kind and caring, she'll miss your warmth and laughter when you're not there. Keep a little mystery. Don't tell her everything about you all at once. Share little bits about yourself over time. It's like a good TV show. It keeps her wanting to know what happens next. When you're not around, she'll be waiting to learn more about you. Be dependable. Be someone she can rely on. If you say you'll do something, do it. Being dependable makes you valuable in her life. She'll miss your reliability when you're not around. Communicate, but don't overdo it. When you're not together, send her a message or give her a call sometimes, not all the time, just enough to let her know you're thinking of her. It's like sprinkling a little sugar on cookies. Too much is overwhelming, but just enough is perfect. Be happy. Be a happy, positive person. People like being around happy people. If you are joyful, she'll miss your positivity when you're away. Encourage her to do her own thing. Encourage her to have fun without you sometimes. She'll see that you support her having her own life. That makes you a great friend, and she'll miss a friend like that. Say goodbye with a smile. When it's time to say goodbye, leave her with a smile. If the last thing she remembers about seeing you is happiness, she'll want to see you again to feel that happy. Making someone miss you isn't about tricks or making them feel sad. It's about being such a positive part of their life that they can't help but feel a little less happy when you're not there. By being kind, fun, and a good friend, you make yourself someone worth missing. Just be your best self, and she'll notice, and she'll miss you when you're not around.